How to add a pre-existing character mod to Retro Rewind using a new character slot, explained by Car. First, open Retro Rewind and go to the Settings menu. Go to Settings, then to Miscellaneous. Make sure Patches is enabled. Next, on your computer, find a character mod you want to add to the game. I will be adding Toadette, Halloween. Next, we need to know two things. 1. What character does the mod replace? 2. What slot will the mod go in? Obviously, this is a skin for Toadette. So now we need to know what slot the mod will go in. There are a total of 50 different slots per character that can be used for custom characters. Currently, there is one slot for Toadette taken up by Bubble Toadette as she comes with Retro Rewind. This makes Bubble Toadette belong to slot 1. So since slot 1 is taken, the next open slot is slot 2, so I will be using that one. Find the files for your character mod. If they're in a zip file, extract them to a new folder. Delete the zip file after. We'll start with only the required files. First is the drivers.breeze file. Mine is already named kk.breeze because KK is Toadette's short name. You have to have your character's short name in the file name, or else it won't work. If you need to know your character's short name, go to this website, MKWii.com. It is linked in the description. Find the character your mod replaces. Mine is Toadette, so her short name is KK. Make sure the .breeze file has your character's short name in it. Now, rename the file to have a dash after the short name, then the slot number you are replacing. Again, the slot I'm replacing is slot 2, so I put a 2. Copy the .breeze file to your clipboard. Now we will open the Retro Rewind 6 folder. If you are on Wii or Wii U, this will be on the root of your SD card. Here is how you access it on Dolphin. First, open the folder your Dolphin files are in, shown here. Then, open the following folders: User, Load, Revolution, Retro Rewind 6. Now once you've opened the Retro Rewind 6 folder, open the Patches folder. This is where we will paste all of our files. Paste the .breeze file here in the Patches folder. Now, go back to your character mod files. Find the files for your carts. I have files for every cart, though you may have less or only one, depending on the mod. Copy your cart files to your clipboard. Paste them in the Patches folder. Now we have to rename the cart files to include our slot number. Again, I'm using Toadette slot 2, so I add a -2 to the end of every file name. Make sure the files also include your character's short name. My files already have KK in their name, so they are good to use for Toadette. When you're done, they should be named like this: vehicle name, character short name, slot number, .scs. If you need to know the vehicle names, they are also on the same MKWii.com page. Now we need our characters, all cart, file. Unfortunately for me, the uploader of this Toadette mod did not include it in the download, so I will steal an already existing one. Here is how I will get the all cart file. First, I'll go to the Retro Rewind 6 folder, then to the character folder, then the all cart folder. These are all of Retro Rewind's all cart files. I will steal one for Toadette. This one has KK in it, so it is meant for Toadette and will work for me. Copy to clipboard. Paste the all cart file in the Patches folder. Once the all cart file is in the Patches folder, make sure it is named correctly. Character short name, slot number, allcart.scs. Now go to the Charname BMG tool website, link in the description. Here we will make the character name and author credit for the character select menu. First, select the character your mod replaces. Then enter the slot number. Enter the name your character will have in the character select menu. You can also add an author credit, though it is optional. This Toadette mod was made by Starwolf, so I will write Starwolf as the author credit. Once you've filled in the boxes, click Generate Downloads. Download charaname.uiassets.scs and charaname.raceassets.scs. Copy the downloaded files to your clipboard. Paste them in the Patches folder. Now we will add the extra files, like the character's minimap icon. As you can see, this is the modded minimap icon. However, for my case, there is a problem with the file. The minimap icon is supposed to be a .tlp file. This is a .png file, not a .tlp file. If you also have this issue, you will need to download the application, Brawl Crate, link in the description. If you already have the .tlp file, you can skip to this timestamp. So now I will make this .png file into a .tlp file. Open the Retro Rewind 6 folder. Then, open the character folder. Open the map folder. Pick one of these files, it doesn't matter which one. Open it using Brawl Crate. Right-click on this text. Click Replace. Find your character's minimap icon and open it here. Click OK. At the top left, click File. Save as. Save it somewhere on your computer. Now, copy the .tpl file to your clipboard. Paste it in the Patches folder. Rename it to be the correct name, with your character's short name and slot number. If your character has custom voice lines, paste them in the Patches folder as well. The voice line files will look like this. Make sure they are all named correctly, with your character's short name and slot number. These files are also spelled with uppercase letters, so make sure you spell them like that if you have them. Your mod may also have a file like this, though to my knowledge, it is not possible to add to Retro Rewind yet, so I will skip it for now. And with that, we're done. When you open up Retro Rewind, you should see your custom character. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Please leave a like if you enjoyed. Bye bye for now.